What is up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Man, my first video. So, this is my first video. Welcome to the channel. A little bit about me. My name is Sydney. I'm actually not a financial advisor, even though I should be. I'm actually a mechanical engineer. So, numbers just make sense to me. The stock market is nothing but numbers. So, that's why me and it kind of just clicks. Goals of this channel, my goals is to show you how simple, not easy, I'll say simple, how simple it is to make money no matter what size account you have. You can have before I even go to that, the more money you have, the easier it is to make money. Let's say you had $1 million. You could make money in your sleep. You could go to sleep, wake up, and probably make $5,000 in your sleep. If you only had $500, it would be a little bit harder, but I'm going to show you how to make money each and any way. Word of advice for me, if I was you guys, I would probably start with at least 5 to 10K. That's me. You don't have to. You can start with 500 or 200, but as you see in my videos, actually in this video too, you're going to see, dude, it is pouring outside. You'll see the less money you have, the harder it will actually be to make money. Alrighty, let's go into the charts. Okay, our first chart, our first stock, right? It's an index. Everybody should be trading SPX. SPX, if you have $500, if you have $1,000, if you have $100,000, you should be trading SPX. When you're starting out as a beginner, just trade 5 stocks. That's it. 5 stocks are index. One of them should be SPX. Do not trade a crap ton of things, kind of what I got going on over here. Don't do that. Get 5 to 3 stocks or index that you really look at every day and you know the price action. And I swear that would help you trading out so much. So we're looking at SPX. So, right, if I'm looking at this graph, right, I have no idea. I have my yellow line right here. I don't remember putting that. Let's see if I remember how to take this line off. It's a price level. Move drawing. Yes, perfect. Don't know how I did that. So I'm looking at this chart. As you can tell, we're in a downtrend, right? Anytime really SPX, SPY kind of goes down, you can kind of expect a bounce up. You see, we go down, up, kind of little zigzaggish right here, up, down, then what? I don't guarantee, but I think we're going to go up. And I'm going to show you trades that I would put on, trades that I'm thinking about putting on, and I'll teach you kind of the math behind it, right? So we go to the options chart, right? This is the options chart. I am an options trader. That's all I do is trade options, right? You should kind of, if you're watching this, you should know what options are. If you don't, just do options. Just type in YouTube options for beginners. So, boom. But I'll get into the nitty grits of it though, so no worries. Okay. For this week, if I was looking at it, we're in a downtrend. I'm kind of expecting a bounce. Okay, now that we know we want the stock to go up, we're going to use a selling strategy. Whenever you sell an option, you want it to go up, right? Whenever you sell a put, you want it to go up, right? Whenever you buy a put, you want it to go down. So right now, we're going to sell a broken wing butterfly, is basically selling 2 puts and buying 2 puts, right? For the broken wing butterfly, you can make it a bearish or bullish strategy. In this case, we think the stock market is going to bounce. So you could place something like this, right? We're going to sell this put. As you can tell, it is green. If the stock goes up, we will be making money, right? So we're going to sell 2 of these, right? Boom. Okay, we sold 2. We're going to buy a strike ahead. Boom. And I'm going to actually... that came into 2. We're going to drop that to 1, right? We bought a strike ahead of it, right? Then we're going to buy another one. What is that? 2 strikes below the option. Boom. Perfect. Actually, we're going to adjust that like that. Perfect. Okay. I have set up the broken wing butterfly, my favorite trade. Let's get in the nitty-gritty of it, right? The credit we're going to receive. When you put on this trade, you're going to receive a credit, right? If the stock goes up, which we want it to, you will keep the $145. You made $145. Boom. The max you can make is $1,145, right? And the max you can lose is 855. Strategy looks good, right? If we get 2 contracts, right? Max you can make 2,000, around $2,500. Max you can lose is around $1,700, right? We're only going to keep this as 1 contract though, right? So let's see why this can happen. Okay, boom, looking at it. The stock price is right here, right? We want it to go up. So if it goes up, you can see right here, we'll be making $155 if it just goes up, right? Which we want it to. If it stays the same, we'll make $155 or $150 just by it staying the same. If it goes down, which we do not want it to go down, but if it goes down, we can make a maximum of 1,000, what was it? Around $1,200. So this is my favorite strategy. If it does not go this way, you can make money, a lot of it. If it does not go your way, you can make 10 times as much as it actually went the way you want it to. But of course, you don't want it to go all the way down. So basically, if it drops to, and let's draw this up here. I want to get into something. I was reading the Bible yesterday. Not that I'm not the most religious person ever, all right? But I was reading it. I was reading Matthew chapter 6, verse 24. You know what it said? You can only serve one master, money or God. So we all want to make money. I'm showing you guys how to make money, but money's really not everything. You can only serve one, God or money. Which one is it going to be for you? My dog Nova, she serves Chipotle or barbecue chicken. That's what she serves. See you in the next one.